few up. Welcome to a new video of forage modding. I guess is what I'm going to be doing for a few uh more than a few videos. I will say. So what we will need is in download IntelliJ IDEA, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Download the community, which is a free, not the ultimate, the free version, the community, which I never know, whatever. But yeah, we download that, and you should get something like this. Whoops. That should be off. Let's try it again. Download. Dang, and I would download it. Download it and install it. Like, if it doesn't work, just click the link, download and install it, so you have something, something, I'll show you in a moment. Other you have the window of it. Well, let me just show you if you have something like this. But not with all these projects. What is this plugin thing? Whatever. Alright, well, that's doing that. Now we also need to download the MDK. I will probably just, as soon as 1.17 comes out, which it is out in the Minecraft launcher, when Forge publishes one, I will just switch over straight to that. There shouldn't be any issues with that. I'd have to look into that. Download the let's go back. Download the recommended MDK, which is mod development. Yeah, mod a development kit. I think IntelliJ IDEA. Yeah, doesn't. Never mind. Yeah, download the recommended. And when you get here, you're going to see this timer. Just wait for that. Don't want to do that. And hit skip. And you will download the MDK, which I think I already have downloaded. 16, yeah, I already have that downloaded, so I don't need to do it. I already have it downloaded. And so after this, we would just extract it to wherever you want to do it, and which is what I did. Wait, what? That's not what I meant. Whatever. We do not need the challenge log or the credits, nor the license.readme. You can go and read them, but we don't really need the purpose for working. What we will need is just the build.gradle, the build gradle.properties, gradle w, gradle.bat, and this gradle and scr, which we will change in a moment. Then, sorry. Oh, I need to restart it. Whatever. So after you have IntelliJ installed, there we go. The IntelliJ will be something like this. We will open. Oh, I need to double check where it is. Yeah, open it. You will hit the open button right here, and look for where you downloaded it, which is downloads gibberish this thingy, and make sure to click on the build.gradle and hit OK. Open as a project, and trust, I guess, Gradle, or whatever it is, trust it to load. And it should be downloading, syncing, as you see here. Let that happen. It's going to take longer for you guys to configure it because, it's going to take longer for you guys because I already have it downloaded. So it just needs to tell it to load that. And then after it finishes syncing, go over to the Gradle on this side over here, hit this Gradle on that side, and hit tasks, FJ runs, and Gen IntelliJ runs, which is just gonna do a bunch of download assets and stuff. As it says, download that, extract that, create, download assets, all that. And after we do that, we can get into it. What we will do is we will go into the Java, go here, we hit open the SCR and hit main. Java, and that's where we're going to put all of our, well, all of our Java code. As resources is where we're going to put all the textures and block states and all that stuff, which I'll explain later. What we need is to rename this, which I'm going to just use that because I don't think I need that, but if we need it, we can use that. We're going to delete, like, the package is what we're going to do. We're going to do a new package, which is going to be your username, like your Minecraft username, dot whatever the mod ID will be, which in this case I will do tut as in tutorial, like that, and then just do a new Java class, which this will be the main class of tut. After you get that, let's go into the build.gradle, and as you see here, com.yourusername.modid, which will do the same thing as we did for the classes mod ID. I can't even think. Like that. That's all we need to do here, which this is just configuring it to download the Minecraft version that it is and all that stuff. Yep. And then now, if we go in, which you guys should have already deleted this, but it says this should match the file in the resources here. But no, not there. Here. Which you see all this. Well, we really don't need all that. All we need is the part that is basically orange. And oh yeah, if you want, you can click that just to, yeah, because we changed to build.gradle, just hit that and that should just reload it. Then here we don't need any of this. Whoops. All these extra, what do you call it? Pound symbols. We really don't need it, but it's there if you want it. So I'm just going to go through and delete all that. But alright. What we need to change is your mod ID to whatever your mod ID is. And the version, let's not put that, let's do the Minecraft version it is, dash whatever the, oh, yeah, dash your version of it. Display name, whatever you want it to show as what is the mod ID. Tutorial mod is what I'll put. Logo file, we really don't need, we really don't need a logo file. I'm going to see. Can I put this there? Yeah, I can put it there. No, that's display name. My bad. I mean that right there. Logo file. We're not going to use credits, authors. Well, author we'll put ourselves. Description. Well, we don't need that long of a description. And for the dependencies dot example mod, we would put the mod ID. So after we have gone through and done everything in the toml, everything in this toml file here, did we do anything here? Let me see. Oh, we did do this. So we did do the Gradle, we did the toml, and we just have a blank class, which is what we should have. Now what we're going to do is actually what we're going to do is code it to tell it it's a mod, or it's a thing. So we're going to do @mod, and we're going to put, oh, I can't type today, the name of your mod ID, which should be the exact same thing from that. Then we will do, as it says, we will get the logger, which we will make public so it can be seen outside. We will also do a public static final string, which is going to be the mod ID, so we can access it easily better. Well, easily, because we're going to have to pull it up in all the registries, and I don't want to type it all up. This will just make it easier. Now we'll do a public tut. Ooh, not type today. In here, we need the, I don't actually even remember. What is it? Oh, yeah. Final I event. Event. How do you spell event? Oh, I keep hitting B. Final event bus. Mod event. Mod event bus. I can't spell bus. Equals, as it says here, FML loading content. Let's just say, alright, equals FML loading content dot get mod event bus. Then we need to do, well, we're going to need two of them, so I'll just do mod event bus dot add listener and do another mod event bus dot add listener. And basically, we only need the setup and the do client stuff. I mean, let me explain. Well, I mean, this is to add some code from another mod, and this is to process it from other mods, which we don't really need that, but if that's what we want, let's not do that. I guess we can say hello from set up, and we can do, let's just pull it back up there. Let's do, yeah, we can just keep that game settings. And then here we need to do this, which I can't spell, : setup. And then over here we'll do this, : do client stuff, which is calling these two. Then what else do we need? Is that everything I think that we'll do for now? Yeah, this is probably everything we'll do for, yeah. Now what we should be able to do is run it. So let's see, can we run it? Let's see, let's go, okay, I deleted that class. Let's go over here, you see that drop down arrow here? You're going to hit that to open this. You should see run client, run data, and run server. We want run client, which you should see that right there. Then just hit that arrow, which is run client, and which that should run. There we go. Wait, yeah, which that should run. Oh, we need to rename this, don't I? I'll have that. I'll have the renaming done for next video. Okay. Also, ignore this verify to authentication. Oh, I did not mean to open that. What I meant is to do this. It says failed to verify authentication. Just ignore that because it can't authenticate into your Minecraft account, which I don't use. And we should see somewhere here. Ignore that correcting thing. And there we go. Hello from setup. That message. Got game settings. Net.minecraft.client. Game setting. Dot. Can we do substring? I don't care. Let's try not to deal with that. Alright. This is the sound is a bit annoying. So what we would do is we would go and create a world. I'm just going to call it new world, but call it whatever you want. Hopefully it loads correctly, which is what we want for it to load correctly, because otherwise then we have issues. And you can see here, this is what it would be probably doing if you would actually to launch it from your Minecraft launcher. But here it's loading. How long is this going to take? How long? Oh, it just has to load. Alright, so what we need is this. Can't keep up. Well, ignore that. So here we are in the game, as you can see, in the game. So if you've gotten this far, good, because we should have gotten this far just to be able to load. And I think for next video, we will have a custom thing like this, item group. I think that's what we'll be doing next video. And see you then, I guess. Well, yep. And see you then.